mga kois, mga atis, welcome back sa akin channel. Ito si Kois Alan. Mayroon tayong papanoorin na naman bagong video. This time galing sa The Voice Kids UK 2020. So napanood na natin yun sa nagdaan yung performance ni Joshua Regala. And this time, may na naman akong papanoorin na video na I'm not sure kung Pinay siya or half Pinay or pero ang pangalan niya is Justin Afante. So, from the name, it sounds Filipino. And the face ng kid, mukhang Pilipina. So I won't take this long anymore. And I'm sure gusto niyo na rin makita yung performance niya. So, let's watch the video. The performance of Justin with the song Never Enough. And let's go!
I'm trying to hold my breath. What it says, come to let this
Mukhang Pinay mga parents niya. Pinay nga siguro.
my hand, you share this with me, 'cause darling, without you all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough.
Ganito kahawig na ako na Indonesian, si Claudia Emanuela. She looks similar to Claudia. Not good daw, not good. Co-chair. Turn. Okay, there you go. Napanood natin performance ni Justin Afante. So, nakita natin parents niya. So, they look like Filipino pero mahirap mag-assume. Lalo na wala tayong information about them. So, Filipina man siya o hindi. Asian man siya. Ang importante, she gave honor to kung sino mang, anumang country man siya nanggaling. So, punta tayo sa performance niya. Wow, magaling. Pero, I can say na it wasn't the best performance so far. Especially sa kantang to, sa Never Enough. Actually, habang pinapanood ko siya, naiko-compare ko siya doon sa isang Indonesian singer na na-mention ko na kanina, si Claudia Emanuela Santoso, na to be honest with you, napabilib niya ako. With her, with Justin's performance, medyo, she need to, iangat niya yung performance niya so that she will be able to move forward sa competition na to. Kasi, I can say na, medyo safe lang yung pag-perform niya. Hindi siya naglagay ng effort para to sound it like yung na-own niya, yung na makinggan niya yung song. So there, we should be happy pa rin kasi for turn siya. So, what's important, nagustuhan ng apat na judges yung performance niya. And I don't know kung sino yung pinili niya. So, malalaman lang natin yan after, diba? So, congrats to Justin Afante and I hope to see you in the next round. Para lang ako yung judge, no? Nagsasabi. To see you in the next round. So, congrats and Pinay ka man o hindi, I'm very proud kasi sa akin. What is important is being an Asian. Yung parang nagbe-bring ka ng honor sa buong bansa. Especially sa Team Southeast Asia, diba? So, yan. So, congrats again to Justin and to her parents. So, congrats. And I hope sana magtuloy-tuloy siya. So, there you go. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video ko, please comment down below. And if you have anything to say, good, bad, request, suggestion, you can drop it here on my comment section. So, babasahin ko siya and I will try my best na if ever, kung request o suggestion yan, I will try my best na magawa ko ng video about it. So, before I end this video, before anything else, I would like to thank all the people who have been watching my videos, and I hope sana please keep on watching and support my channel. And if you want anything that you want to change in my channel or to improve, just tell me and I'm open to that. So again, before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things: comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So bye bye.